Hello, my lovely kids. Welcome to the class. Children, have you ever seen a rainbow? Yes, I know most of you have seen the rainbow. Yes? Children, how many colors are there in a rainbow? Yes, there are 7 colors in a rainbow. Yes, you can see in the picture. Children, today we are going to start a poem. That is chapter number 12, The Rainbow Catcher. Let's begin, children. Children, let's read this. Let's go part. Sunlight is made up of many colors, all put together. A rainbow appears when sunlight split up into its 7 different colors. That is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. Yes, children, how rainbow appears? When sunlight split. Split means when sunlight broken or cut into different parts. Yes, then we are able to see its 7 different colors. Yes, so this is how rainbow is formed. Let us read this poem in which a child learns another way of making a rainbow. There once lived a child just like you and me, who loved watching the clouds rolling over the sea. Slowly they would gather, swirling up a storm. The boy would wonder as they took giant form. Then what happened, children? Once there was a child just like you, who loved watching the clouds moving over the sea. Slowly they would gather, swirling up a storm. Yes, once all the clouds gather and they were going round in circles. The boy would wonder, he amazed, as they took giant form. Yes, children, when all the clouds come together, then what happened? Yes, they took a giant form. Giant form means a very big size. Yes, we can say they took very big size. Yes, form. Form means shape. They took a very big size shape. Lo and behold, come the first drops of rain. Pitter patter, smeeter splatter across the window pane. Birds would sing and frogs would croak and dogs would whimper if they got shocked. Then what happened, children? Something happened new. What happened new? Come the first drops of rain. Yes, there was the first drops of rain. It made the sound like pitter patter, smeeter splatter across the window pane. Yes, children, when rains come, that time what happened? It drops make some sound when they splash on the window pane. Yes, or on the ground. It makes some sound. That is pitter patter, smeeter splatter. Yes, birds would sing. Birds are singing and frogs would croak. They are also making some sound because they are very happy to see the rain. And dogs would whimper. Whimper means they were crying and making some low unhappy sound because they got shocked. Yes, they got wet because of rain. Now that isn't fun, the boy thought sadly. The rain should stop, he wished oh so badly. As if heavens heard his call, the clouds melted away and the sun was up like it was a brand new day. Then what happened, children? The boy thought that isn't fun. He was not happy. He was not happy. He was very sad. and he wished that rain should go, the rain should stop. And his wish was granted. Yes, as if heavens heard his call, his wish was granted. The clouds melted away. Melted means the clouds went away and the sun was up. The sun came like it was a brand new day. But where was the rainbow that should come after the rains? The band of colors was not seen even at distant shore. It was what the poor boy had been waiting for. Then what happened, children? He was waiting for the rainbow. Yes, he was not able to see the rainbows which comes after the rain. Yes, the band of colors was not seen even at distant shore. He was not able to see the rainbow. It was what the poor boy has been waiting for. He was waiting for the rainbow to come. His eyes then fell upon a curious piece of glass, so bright that it split a ray of sunlight. Then what happened, children? Suddenly his eyes then fell upon a curious piece of glass. Yes, there was some curious piece of glass, means special piece of glass. He found that so bright that split a rays of sunlight. Yes, it split a rays of sunlight. It splashed on the walls, a perfect color band. Now he had a rainbow within the ridge of his hand. Then what happened, children? It splashed on the wall. The sunlight splashed on the wall. And can you imagine, children, what happened? A perfect color band. He was able to see a perfect color band. Now he had a rainbow within the ridge of his hand. Yes, children, he was able to see the rainbow on the wall. Don't forget to look for the end of the rainbow someday, for you might see the rainbow catcher hard at play. So children, yes, I know that we all are waiting for the rainbow to come. Yes, we all are waiting for the rainbow after the rain. But sometimes, children, we are not able to see. But we can make our own rainbow with the help of the glass or with a piece of glass. But children, for making that, you have to take the help of your parents. Yes? So children, you can try this thing. You can make your own rainbow at home also. Yes? So children, I hope you have understood this poem very well. Children, now it's a homework time. It is given in the page number 100. Rhyming words. Children, rhyming words are two or more words that have the same or similar ending sound but have different meaning. For example, rain, pain. Yes, these are the rhyming word. So can you see, children, when we spell or when we pronounce, you can get the similar ending sound. For example, rain, pain. Yes, they are the similar ending sound but have different meaning. So these are rhyming words. So children, in the poem, the last two words of each line rhyme. Lo and behold, come the first drops of rain. Pitter patter, meter splatter across the window pane. So rain, pain. Yes, understood, children? So here, children, the exercise is given here. Complete each sentence with a rhyming word from the box. One has been done for you. A word which rhymes with owl is fowl. So children, you have to find the similar rhyming word which are given in this box. Okay. A word which rhymes with keep is keep, steep. Leap, sleep. So children, in this way you have to find the rhyming words. Yes. So children, complete this homework. Children, one more homework is there for you. It is in the page number 101. What are the 7 colors of a rainbow? You can see in this picture, children. Yes. So children, you have to color it accordingly. You have to color the picture in the way the rainbow appears. Okay. So color it beautifully, children.